What's up, guys? So today we're in another video, and I got off of school and I saw this. Let me just walk towards it. Wait. We found this. We checked the cameras and all, but we couldn't find any proof of this animal. So we just found this, and I think a raccoon did this. So yeah, I think a raccoon did this. Comment down below what you think did this, but just comment down below. And hold on, it won't. Okay, yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe. Please comment. That will be great. Peace.